The wolf, a symbol of courage and loyalty. A wolf's howl can be heard from far away, manifesting its strength and determination. These ancient animals show the ability to cooperate and take action in good times and in bad. The physical and mental characteristics of the wolf make it the perfect hunter, one that knows the behavior of other wild animals, what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Because of its indisputable qualities, the wolf is universally featured in folklore, myths, and legends. Wolf Group is like a wolf pack. We too are organized, and everyone has a distinct role to play. All of our employees are wolves at heart. We belong to the Wolf Club. Our clients and partners all over the world are part of our family. Headquartered in Tallinn, Estonia, a northern European country, Wolf Group produces and sells construction chemicals and building materials. This umbrella group encompasses all our brands, production and sales companies. Thanks to the accelerated growth and carefully planned management of the entire supply chain, we are now among the leading producers in Europe. We achieve high levels of quality and competitive prices by manufacturing most of the components and products ourselves. An old wolf knows that nature does not forgive errors. So good quality is vital for us. Wolf Group's products are marketed mainly under the Penosil, Olive, and Tempsey brands, but also under private labels by many world-renowned brands. Penosil's product portfolio consists of PU foams, adhesives, sealants, self-expanding sealing tapes, cleaning products, tools, and other building chemicals designed for industrial, professional, and home use. With over 40 years of experience on the market and located in Barcelona, Spain, Olive Química is at the forefront of sealant and adhesive development and production. Olive's core competence includes the development of special products used for curtain walling, structural and insulated glazing in architecture. The company's product range is extensive and includes silicons, adhesives, hybrids, acrylics and polyurethane products, plus a wide selection of tools. Tempsey's products and services provide full facade solutions for property owners and architects. At Tempsey, we are proud of our energy-efficient and creative ventilation solutions. The group's dedication to research and development, as well as establishment cooperation with universities and scientists, has led to the creation of many innovative products and patented solutions. The group's products have been used in such landmark construction projects as the Soccer City Stadium in Johannesburg, South Africa, the Barcelona Airport in Catalonia, Spain, Moscow International Business Center, also referred to as Moscow City in Russia, Cathedral of Christ the Saviour in Moscow, and the Turning Torso, which is the tallest skyscraper in the Nordic countries and is situated in Malmö, Sweden. Wolves prefer habitats that are wide and uncultivated, from tundra to semi-deserts. On open landscapes, their feeding grounds can cover more than 1,000 square kilometers. Wolf Group has factories in Tallinn, Estonia, near Moscow in Russia, in Barcelona, Spain, and near Sao Paulo in Brazil. Its sales offices and resellers are in more than 50 countries. The group's export network extends from the United States to New Zealand, from Norway to South Africa. and from Brazil to Japan. By managing the entire supply chain, Wolf Group can fulfill clients' expectations worldwide. The right product, the right amount, at the right time, in the right place, with the right assortment and the right level of quality, all for the right price. The Wolf is a survivor. Difficult times make the pack even stronger. On peaks and in valleys, the wolf enjoys life and shares its prey with the pack. Every wolf has a role in the pack, yet the most daring and successful receive the other's recognition. Wolf Group also contributes to the further advancement of society. For many years, we have supported children with learning difficulties and health problems. We also encourage culture and contribute towards its development. Wolf Group regards the environment as an organic whole that should be treated with respect. Natural selection favors only the strong. Our strength lies in cooperation and partnership. We do our best to make our employees, partners, clients, and users of our products feel that they belong to our Wolf Pack. Wolf Group, one pride.